Alright guys, so today I'm really excited to announce the TikTok Shop series. Yes, this is one of the most awaited requests which I have been getting from many of you guys to start the series on TikTok Shop. So basically this is the first video of that series which will cover the whole introduction of the TikTok Shop in detail. Like what it is, how it works, and if you're an e-commerce seller or willing to start your e-commerce journey, then why it is must for you to have your TikTok Shop. Because it is a new market, untapped market, and this is the right time to dive into that business so you can actually start making a lot of money passively, because this is a low competition market, and the sooner you will dive into that market, the more money you will make. So basically right now I'm filming this video in 2023, and for the time being the TikTok Shop is only available in USA and UK, but later on it will obviously be available in other countries as well. So now the first question, why TikTok Shop? If we are having some big platforms like Amazon, eBay or Shopify. So basically you know that every platform works differently and having different algorithm. Like on Amazon, you list a product and it is basically a search engine. People go there, search for the product they want and then purchase it. But then if you check out the Shopify store, so basically it is your personalized store and everything is in your control, and after listing your product, you need to do marketing like run the Facebook ads, TikTok ads, Google ads or even YouTube ad to get the traffic on your Shopify store so people can land on your store and purchase a product from your store. So basically what is the most common thing in all of these platforms? That is marketing. Yes, and marketing depends on the ad creative, like what kind of video or what kind of photos you are showing in advertisement, and then that will decide that the viewer of that ad will purchase that product or not. So basically TikTok, one of the best video sharing platform out there, has come up with a solution and they combine e-commerce with video sharing. So now if you sign up for the TikTok Shop for free, you can actually create shoppable posts like whatever product you are showing in your video, the viewer of that video will be able to find out the button below that video, and when they click on that button they will be able to purchase that particular product which they are seeing on the video. So basically in short, it makes the whole process, like the whole journey of the buyer and seller, super easy and super useful. So in that way, if a viewer is scrolling on TikTok and watching videos and they like a product, so he or she will not have to leave the app, but within the app they can actually place the order and get that product delivered to their house. Isn't it amazing? So now the second question, how TikTok Shop is different from other platforms and why it is beneficial for you to start your TikTok Shop right now. So basically TikTok Shop requires no money to sign up. Like if you're living in USA or UK right now, so you can just go on Google and type TikTok Shop, and by filling out a simple form which contains your email, address, phone number and some of your other information, you can actually get signed up on your TikTok Shop right away within 24 hours, and you can actually start selling your products from tomorrow without paying any money to the platform. But yes, when you will get the order, there will be some fees for order processing or order shipment. But that is totally fine. And now the benefit number 2, like you will be able to run the TikTok ads inside the TikTok platform, or you can actually hire some influencers who are actually posting videos on TikTok. You can just pay them some money and they will review your product on their TikTok page, so their audience can also watch your product video and can land on your shop and then purchase the order. So that's it for the intro of TikTok Shop. So now let me take you to my computer screen and show you some amazing feature of TikTok Shop live, so you can also get the motivation to start your TikTok Shop right now. So you can also make passive income with this low competitive market, and you can grow your business or expand your business to the next level very easily with a less amount of budget. But before getting started, I'm Uzair and I run multiple online businesses like Amazon, eBay, Shopify, affiliate marketing and YouTube. That gives me financial freedom and allow me to travel the world without having any worry of 9-to-5 job. So if you also want this freedom to working remotely from anywhere in the world, then make sure to subscribe to the channel to learn more about online earning for free. And if you're confused at where to start, then you can just simply visit the link ways2sellonline.com/start. So you can just find some useful material from there and get a complete roadmap from where to start. Alright guys, so as you can see here, I'm on my laptop right now, and if you want to sign up on a TikTok Shop, you just need to go on Google and simply type TikTok Shop and click on this first link which says shop.tiktok.com, and when you click on that link, you will be able to land on this page which is the main page of a TikTok Shop. And here when you scroll down on this page, you will be able to see all of those features which this platform is providing you. So from the top right corner, you can see that my country is now United Kingdom, and if I drop down, I can see some other countries as well, like USA, UK, Indonesia, Malaysia and some other Asian countries. But right now many of the big countries of the world are not in that list. But don't worry, after 2 or 3 months, they will be there. So now if you scroll down, you can see this get started button. So if you click on that button and fill out that form, so you will be able to sign up on that shop very easily, very quickly and very fast. So now if on top, if you see this header, so you can see there are 3 buttons like sellers, creators and partners. So basically the motive of this platform is to connect the creators with sellers or to connect the sellers with creator into the same platform. So that will be helpful for all of those people who are actually creating content or who are selling their products on e-commerce. So this TikTok shop platform will basically empower all of those people no matter what kind of content they are making, right? So now if you scroll down to check out some other features, so on the right side you can see that this lady is basically unboxing a product on her TikTok account, and under that video we can see a shoppable button. So basically with the help of TikTok shop, if you sign up there, so you can actually create some shoppable posts so people can actually purchase your product directly from your post without going anywhere. Right? And if you scroll further down, you can see some other features of this platform as well, like it can give you amazing discovery to the amazing audience who love to watch video and shop the things online. And the second feature is trusted creator. Like TikTok will only allow all of those creators who are basically trusted creator and are authentic. So when you're finding some influencers or creator to run your campaigns, so you will be able to see only eligible creators who are trusted by TikTok and who are authentic. So now if you scroll down, you can see some other features as well, like easy and safe shopping, scalable ecosystem and engaging communities. And then if I scroll further down, I can see some amazing feature like TikTok shop provides 3 native ways to shop. So the number 1 is you or any creator can actually start live stream on your TikTok platform, and during that live stream they can actually sell any product they want, one product or multiple product. And now the second way is you can create shoppable posts. And the third way is you can actually create your customized storefront just like Amazon on your TikTok page. So whenever someone purchases a product from your TikTok page or TikTok shop, so they will be able to see your storefront, and when they visit your storefront, they will be able to see all of your products, like the whole catalog of your business. So they might purchase some other product from your store as well. So that's why I'm saying that this can be a revolutionary platform for all of the e-commerce sellers, because this platform basically connect the entertainment with shopping. And as you know that if something is entertaining someone, then it will be very easy to sell these people some product who are actually getting entertained. So right now I can only say that we are having some very good prediction for this platform, and after 6 months or after 1 year we can get some good case studies about that platform, like how it works and how it can help other people who are actually selling their products on Amazon, eBay and Shopify to scale their business and to expand their catalog. So now that's it for this video. This was the introduction video, and in the upcoming videos of this series I will share each and everything with you guys, like how to create your shop, how to navigate to TikTok Seller Central, how to find good product, how to list product, how to dispatch your order, and how to market your product. So this series is going to be 100% free and truly useful for you, and if you watch all of those videos in this series, then you will be able to start your successful TikTok shop from A to Z and start getting some orders really fast. So that's it for today guys. I hope you really enjoyed the video and learned something great from it. So if you find my content really informative and helpful for you, then make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel as well, so you can watch more and more videos like this in future. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.